Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using Adobe Acrobat Reader for opening PDF files to view on your PC and on devices, be very careful. A security researcher has announced that for the past 4 months, Adobe Acrobat Reader, Adobe Reader have been exploited by a zero-day flaw with malformed PDF files. And this could result in the control of your device and into the elevation of privilege to admins so that they can do what they want. Adobe has not yet released an update to fix this. It has been warned that this exists and been actually exploited actively since the the past 4 months. So what security researchers are saying is that if that's what you're using right now, to open only PDFs that you can trust and that you know are trusted PDFs by people that you know are okay. Because this is a really, really easy way to infect your computer right now. So what I would suggest is that if you're using it, look at the version number and look at the daily updates from Adobe Reader and see if they have a new version coming out that will possibly contain a fix for this flaw. Many websites, including Neowin, have reached out to Adobe to get a little more details on this, and pretty much no one had news. Adobe didn't come back to them. So hopefully they're working on a fix. And until then, be very, very careful, or use some other known PDF reader that could be, known secure, or you can use, the browser's PDF features like Google Chrome or Edge to open PDFs rather than using the Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.